To set up Debank gas fee estimation, start by understanding what Debank is. Debank is a comprehensive crypto asset management platform that allows users to track their portfolio and estimate gas fees for various transactions. Gas fees are essential in the cryptocurrency space as they determine how much it costs to perform a transaction on a blockchain network. First, navigate to the Debank website and create an account if you have not already done so. Once you have logged in, you will see a dashboard that displays your portfolio and various tools for managing your assets. To set up gas fee estimation, click on the settings icon and look for the gas fee estimation option. Next, you will need to connect your wallet to Debank. This can be done by clicking on the Connect Wallet button and selecting the type of wallet you use. Debank supports a wide range of wallets, including MetaMask and Ledger. Follow the prompts to complete the connection process. After connecting your wallet, you will need to select the blockchain network you want to estimate gas fees for. Debank supports multiple networks, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. Choose the network you are interested in and click Next. Now, you will see a gas fee estimation tool that allows you to input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and the recipient's address. The tool will then estimate the gas fee for the transaction based on current network conditions. You can adjust the gas price and gas limit to see how it affects the estimated fee. It is essential to understand the concepts of gas price and gas limit. Gas price is the amount of cryptocurrency you are willing to pay for each unit of gas, while gas limit is the maximum amount of gas you are willing to use for a transaction. A higher gas price can result in faster transaction processing, but it also increases the cost. To get the most accurate gas fee estimation, make sure to check the current network conditions and adjust the gas price and gas limit accordingly. You can also use the historical data provided by Debank to see how gas fees have changed over time and make more informed decisions. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can effectively set up Debank gas fee estimation and make more accurate predictions about the cost of your transactions. Remember to always check the current network conditions and adjust your settings accordingly to get the best results.